Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about the most difficult part of 75 hard, hands down. It is not the workouts, guys. It is the water. I have seen alpha males be taken out by the water. So I want to give you some strategies and tell you about some things that are working for me with the water. When I first started 75 hard, struggling to keep up with everything, and what would happen, my day would get away from me and I would realize that I had not drank all of my water. And at this point, it's maybe like 10 o'clock at night. What I do is I would chug it down in about 2 hours. What happened was I began to become ill, very nauseous on a regular basis. I started having brain fog, headaches, which I thought was really odd. I mean, water. I talked to my doctor about it and he informed me of something that I did not know. And I don't know the official name of it, but there is a water poisoning or water intoxication that can happen to you that can cause death. Now, before you guys go quitting 75 hard or think somebody's trying to kill you, it is very rare. Very, very rare for anybody to die from this. But once I found out about it, I wanted to know what was the safest way to consume the water so I could stop the headaches and stop the brain fog and the nausea. So after talking to my doctor and doing my own research, this is what I came up with. So 16 ounces, anywhere from 16 ounces to 32 ounces per hour is good. Start as early as you can. And in an 8-hour day, so let's say you start about 6 a.m., you should be able to finish all of your water around 2 at 16 ounces. And 16 ounces is usually very doable for people an hour. The minimum recommended is about 32 ounces in an hour. So if you find yourself in a crunch, at least spread it out over 4 hours so you don't kind of go into that danger zone. It is the amount of water, but it's more so how quickly your body is getting the water. Your body can't process it fast enough. That's what the problem is. So you have to give your body time and spread that out for your body to actually process it. Because one of the warning signs, and not warning like you're about to die, okay? But when you pee clear, that's kind of letting you know that your body has said, okay, we're getting a little too much water. I'm not gonna even try to process this. You're just gonna come out. And that's why you end up peeing a lot. And that gets better when you learn how to spread it out. And it gets better period over time because your body's just adjusting. So that's something that I've done is made a big difference. No more headaches, no more nausea, no more being up all night peeing. None of that's happening anymore. So let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know your tips. Your questions. I'd love to hear if you have any questions about it. But I wanted you guys to do this to, number one, help you get through the challenge successfully, but also to be safe and to feel good. Because I'm hearing about people quitting and throwing up and all kind of stuff. This can be done in a smart way that will not be as difficult. Now, this is 75 hard. It's not going to make it easy. You know, if you're not used to drinking a gallon of water, I can't make it easy for you, but I can certainly make it easier and definitely safer for you. So anyway, I look forward to your comments. I look forward to your questions. You guys have an awesome day. Have a great one.